Hey friends, if you wish to download and install Realtek LAN driver on your Windows computer, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the procedure. So search for Realtek LAN driver on your search bar, especially on Microsoft Edge because it's easier there. Now click on this option. It is usually the second one, Realtek LAN driver. It may be for Windows 10, but it will also work on Windows 11. If you don't believe me, just check the name. It says Windows 10 and Windows 11 both. So click on this option and agree to the license terms. Do not open it. Click on Save As. Choose a good location and save it there. Okay. It will need a few seconds, and once it is saved, you can right click on it and then select Extract All. Extract it and then choose this option. Double click on it and then double click on the SYS file to run it. So this is what you have to do to install the LAN drivers. Now since I already have it, won't work on my system that way, but this is what you have to do. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.